Have you ever made the mistake of drinking some water with essential oil after it's been sitting on the top and it kind of gets your lip a little bit red? So this little guy has been trying to drink more and more water, and he went and got his own cup and his own essential oil. And he knows that we put one drop in the cup, but if we let it sit for a little bit, or if we don't stir it with a spoon, then sometimes it makes our lip a little red. So what to do? We ran over to the cabinet and grabbed some coconut oil, and just with the little pinky finger we can slide it right along the lip, and that makes it very diluted so that the essential oil isn't causing any irritation for the skin. So is it hurting anymore?
Kind of.
Still, okay, well we should put some more on then. Yeah, we just keep diluting until it starts feeling good. All right, so there's a little tip. Hope you guys enjoy. Y'all stay courageous and keep using your oils. Bye.